Cats' sleep patterns also reflect their survival instincts. By sleeping through the hottest parts of the day, they conserve energy and remain alert for threats or prey when the environment cools. Even indoors, this behavior persists, a subtle nod to their wild ancestry. When cats are not sleeping, they're taking in the world around them with a unique perspective on color. While cats may not be able to enjoy a full rainbow like we do, they can still see colors, just not in the same way we do. Cats are best at seeing blues and greens, but have trouble distinguishing between reds, which likely appear as shades of gray. If you've ever wondered why your cat seems uninterested in your bright red sweater, it's because they probably don't see it as vibrant as you do.